Today I am going to answer one of the Selenium automation interview question which was asked in emphasis. So the question was find the second largest number from a given array. Here I am going to solve in online code editor because they prefer you solving in online code editor. They won't let you use the IDE. So you have to practice it in online editor. Suppose they give integer array. They gave us this integer array and we will have to find the second largest. Second largest number. So here second largest number would be 89. Let's create a method for that. I will create a method called find second largest. Now we will have to assume that both largest and second largest is the minimum value of integer. So minimum value of integer is minus 2 billion something. So let's say int largest equals to integer dot minimum value. Also we will have to do same for second largest. It will get clear once you see the code, full code. So now both first largest and second largest is integer minimum value which is negative of 2 billion something. I don't remember exactly but it's 2 billion something like that. 1 million, 2 billion, yeah, it's like that. Now we will have to traverse through array. For that we will use advanced for loop. For int num from array. Now we will have to use if statement. If num is greater than largest, first condition will be to check whether the num is greater than largest or not. So first iteration we will be taking 1 and we will have to check if num is larger than integer dot minimum value which is minus 2 billion. So of course it is larger. Now if this condition satisfied, we will have to put second largest as largest. So now second largest is set to largest and largest position is empty. And now largest will be num. We have set num as largest. So it will, if you go around traversing the loop, it will work fine till 545. But after that, 44 comes. So if loop is not going to work, for that I will have to use another statement. Let's say else if num is less than largest and we will have to use logical and num greater than second largest. So both condition should be satisfied since it's logical and. So if num is less than largest and num is greater than second largest, then second largest equals to num. Now we will return second largest. So in 1 was less than largest. I mean 1 was greater than largest. So now during the first loop, it have set second largest as integer dot minimum value, which is negative 2 billion, and it have set largest as 1. And during second iteration, now it have set second largest as 1 and largest as 23. Third iteration, 23 goes to second largest and 545 goes to largest. Now for 44, this condition will fail. Num is not greater than largest, so it will not go in if statement. It will go in else if statement. So num is less than largest, this condition is true. And also num is greater than second largest. Currently second largest is still 2 billion. No, sorry. Currently second largest is 23. Yeah. So num is greater less than largest, which is less than 545, but it is greater than 23. So now second largest will be num. That's how this loop goes, and we have returned second largest. Let's call our method in main method. Int result equals find second largest. Charger is not on. Hold up. Yes, I have turned on the charger. It was lagging. Sorry about that. We will have to pass array here. Now let's print the result. It should work. The second largest is 89. Now I will modify this array and run to show you if it's working properly. Second largest is 95. But there are few edge cases you will have to fight. For example, if there are only two elements in array, for that you will have to use if else statement while printing. So you could write something like if result equals if result equals second largest, no, integer dot minimum value, then we should print no second largest. Else We'll have to move this array out of the loop here. So it will be useful when we have integer minimum value of integer as one of the element of array. Let's see if it works with two elements. Yeah, that's where it will fail with two elements. Currently I forgot what was the edge cases for this. So it should be something like, I think, sorry about that. It should be like in result equal to oh, they didn't ask about the edge cases in interviews. So if you print like that, it will be probably fine. Let me know if you want the exact solution of the edge cases. I will make next video about it if somebody comments. It doesn't work for two elements. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more QA related videos like this.